Hey guys, Eddie here at hipastore.com, and today we're going to be talking about why your chainsaw chain may come loose, or worse yet, come off the bar.
Chainsaws are powerful tools that can quickly make short work of tough jobs, but they can also be dangerous if not used correctly. One common problem that chainsaw users encounter is a loose chain, or even a chain that comes off the bar. So here you go, the top 5 reasons why a chain may come loose or come off the bar. And also, a bonus 6th reason. One of the most common reasons for a chain to get loose or come off the bar is incorrect tension. If the chain is too loose, it can slip off the bar, and if it's too tight, it can bind or even break. It's essential to maintain the proper tension of the chain as specified in the chainsaw manual. Check the tension of the chain regularly and adjust it as needed. A loose chain can be very dangerous because it can easily come off the bar and cause injury. A worn sprocket or worn bar can also cause this problem. Over time, the sprocket and bar can wear down, causing the chain to become loose. If you notice that the sprocket or bar is worn, it's crucial to replace them to prevent further damage to the chainsaw or yourself. One of the hardest problems to diagnose is a damaged or worn chain. Broken or worn links or a stretched chain, these can be difficult to determine by eye. Inspect the chain regularly and replace it if it's damaged or excessively worn. In an abundance of caution, it may be even best to replace it even if you suspect it may be a problem. Also, sharpening the chain regularly can help it cut more smoothly and cleanly, but also reduce the amount of wear from friction. A chainsaw chain that doesn't fit correctly in the groove of the bar is also a serious problem. This is often caused by selecting the wrong chain for your saw or the wrong bar for your chain. Make sure that the chain is the correct size for your bar and that the grooves in the bar are not worn and damaged. Most modern bars have the specifications for the chain printed directly on the bar. Chainsaw chains will usually be marked in their packaging. It's always a good idea when you're changing a chain to cross-reference the two specifications. However, it also might be that the grooves on your bar are just plain worn out, or the drive lengths on your chain just worn down. Now you can measure the groove with feeler gauges or measure your chain width with a micrometer, but if you're in doubt, I would always err on the side of caution and just replace the bar and or the chain.
Hey guys, let me break in here for just a second to remind you that Hipa's all-in-one kits are a great way to fix and maintain your small machines. You can see those at hipastore.com.
Number 5 is related to the first one and involves a tensioner. The tensioner is responsible for keeping the chain tight against the bar. Tensioners can wear out for a variety of reasons, but if you start work with a properly tensioned chain and you notice the chain is getting looser as you work, it's best to check your tensioner for worn or loose parts and of course replace if needed. And finally, our bonus reason. Unfortunately, it's user error. User error can cause a chain to come off the bar. For example, if the user doesn't guide the chainsaw correctly through the cut, the chain can become pinched and bind and come off. Make sure you keep your chainsaw sharp and always follow chainsaw usage and safety guidelines. Chainsaws are powerful machines, so let them do the work. Never try to force your saw to make a cut. In conclusion, it's always a good idea to check your machine and chains regularly, just to make sure that everything is running in its best condition. Always prioritize safety when using a chainsaw. We at Hipa know that the best jobs are the ones done right and the ones done safely.
I hope you got something out of that video, and if you did, please consider subscribing and commenting below with any questions, or just if you have something to add to the discussion. We also have a rapidly growing list of short how-to videos to help you fix and maintain your small machines. So thanks for watching, and join us at hipastore.com.